Hello children, how are you all at home? Are you all safe at home? Yes, very good. Be at home and be safe. Okay children? And welcome to today's class. Which class we are going to discuss today? We are discussing LS subject. Okay? So before going to start our class, we will do one small prayer. Okay children? Everyone join your hands. Everyone should do this prayer at morning. Okay? God bless Mummy, God bless Daddy, God bless teacher, help me always to make them happy. Should make your parents happy. Every time should feel them happy, okay? If you feel them happy, your parents will give whatever you want. They will get so many toys, so many chocolates, so many dresses, whatever you want they can get for you. Okay? So as I told you, we are discussing LS subject. LS means alphabet. Okay? So alphabet we are discussing now. So for our class one guest came. Do you know who is that? To welcome him we need to clap. Everyone clap once. If you clap, he will come to our class. Who is that? Who is that? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Who is this? Do you know what is this? Yes, it's giraffe. It's giraffe. Say hi to giraffe. Hi giraffe. Hi. Giraffe is the tallest land animal. Giraffe is the tallest land animal. Okay, giraffes have long neck. See our neck is very short, no? But giraffes have long neck. See, I'll show you giraffe long neck also now. Where is giraffe? Giraffe have? Yes, here is giraffe. See, giraffe have long neck. So it is the tallest land animal. Okay, and it can easily pluck the leaves from such a tallest trees. Okay, it can easily pluck the trees and pluck the leaves, and it can easily eat. Okay children, giraffe is the tallest land animal. And what is the first letter of giraffe? Yes, it letter G. Letter G. So today we are going to learn about which letter? Yes, it's letter G. Do you know what is the sound of G? What is the sound of G? G. 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 Yes, what is this? It's a fruit. Yes. G. G. Grapes. G. G. Grapes. G for grapes. What is the color of this grapes? Yes, green. G, 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 green. Yes, g, g, green. G, g, green. G, g, grapes. And it's a fruit. Do you know what is this fruit? Which is in green color? Yes, it's Guava. G, g, Guava. G, g, Guava. Guava means jamakaya. Okay, g, g, Guava. And what is this? These are also grapes, no? Here also grapes, but these are in green color. These are in purple color. Yes, we have two types of grapes, green color and purple color. Okay, if you go to fruit market, you can see there green color grapes, bunches, and purple color grapes also. Okay, G for grapes. G, g, grapes. And now one animal is coming. Yes, what is this animal? Goat. G, g, goat. What goat gives us? Goat also gives us milk. Okay, g, g, goat. And do you know what goat will eat? Yes? Yes. What goat will eat? Yes. What is this? Grass. G, g, grass. G, g, grass. Goat will eat this grass. What is the color of this grass? It's green. G, g, green. G, g, goat. G, g, green. And do you know what is this? What is this? You will get it at the time of birthday parties, marriages. What is this? Yes, it's gift. G, g, gift. And your birthday parties, your parents, your friends, your relatives will give you this gift, right? And on Christmas, Santa Claus also will come and give you so many gifts to you all. Yes? Yes. G, g, gift. G, g, gift. And see, who is this? She is a girl. G, g, girl. G, g, girl. Okay. G, g, girl. Boy? B, b, boy. Okay. B, b, B for boy. G for girl. Okay. And do you know what is this? What is this? It's a musical instrument. Yes, it's guitar. G, g, guitar. G, g, guitar. And tell me, what is this? You can see this daily now. What are these? Everyone are using nowadays. Because of this coronavirus, everyone are using along with this mask. Everyone are using this. What are these? Yes, gloves. Hand gloves we'll wear to our hands. Okay. G, g, gloves. G, g, gloves. G, g, grapes. G, g, goat. G, g, girl. G, g, gift. G, g, Goa. G, g, green color. So these are the pictures that starts means these are the words that starts with letter G. Now we will see how to write letter G, capital G and small g. So before going to start, we will recap all A to F letters. Okay children? So how many lines we have in our LS notebook? We have 4 lines. What are they? First, red line, blue line, again blue line and red line. These are the 4 lines. So again we will draw. Okay, within these 4 lines only we should write alphabet. So what is the first letter? Letter A. Letter A. How to write letter A? Where we should start now? Yes, we should start from red line. The red line to second blue line, slanting line. And again right slanting line, left slanting line, right slanting line. Then in middle, sleeping line. Which letter it is? Capital A. A for yes, A for apple. What is the sound of A letter? What is the sound of letter A? A for apple. Apple. And how to write small a? Which curve we should write first? Should write circle. Circle. And then small slanting line. Circle within 2 blue lines and small slanting line. This is small a, capital A and small a. Okay. A for apple. Apple. A after which letter? Letter B. How to write B? Should write from red line to second blue line, standing line, and then within 2 lines right curve, and again right curve. This is capital B. Okay. What is the sound of B? B. B. Sound of B is B. And how to write small b? Standing line from red line to blue line, and within two blue lines, one right curve. This is small b, capital B and small b. B, 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 what? Bat. B, b, bat. B, b, ball. B, b, bat. B, b, ball. A, B finish. A, B after which letter? A, B after letter C. Letter C. How to write letter C? Just left curve. See, I am going to write letter C now. How to write? Just left curve from red line to second blue line. Just write left curve. This is capital C. How to write small c? Within two blue lines, write small c. Okay, small left curve. Capital C, small c. This is the sound of C. K, 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 cap, k, k, cap, k, k, cake, k, k, car. Small capital C and small c. A, B, C finish. A, B, C after which letter? Letter D. How to write letter D? Red line to second blue line, standing line, and one big right curve. This is capital D. Okay. And how to write small d? From red line to blue line, standing line, and within two blue lines, small left curve. This is small d, capital D and small d. D for, what is the sound of D? D, D. But D for, what is this? Dog. D, D. Dog. D, D. Dog. Sound of D is D. What is the sound of dog? Sound of dog is B. Bo. Bo, 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 bo. No? What is the sound of dog? Bo, bo, bo. And what is the sound of D? D. D, D. Dog. And A, B, C, D after which letter? Letter E. How to write letter E? Standing line from red line to second blue line, standing line, sleeping line, and sleeping line. Three sleeping lines we have for letter E. E for one big animal, big land animal. What is that? Biggest land animal. Yes, it's elephant. Elephant. What is the sound of E? Elephant. Letter E sound is E. E for elephant. And see how to write small e. Just write sleeping line and one C like this. Okay. This is small e. First write sleeping line and then letter C. This is small e. Okay. Capital E, small e. And E after which letter, children? E after letter F. How to write F? Standing line. Two sleeping lines we have for letter F. On red line one sleeping line and on blue line one sleeping line. This is capital F. And how to write small f? Standing line and red line small up curve and on blue line one sleeping line. This is small f, capital F and small f. What is the sound of F? F, 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 flower, f, f, flower, f, f, flower. Okay. A for apple, B for ball, bat, C for cap, D for dog, E for elephant, F for flower. Okay. So A to F finish, and what is the next letter and today's letter? Letter G. We are going to learn letter G now. So how to write letter G? Just see, write like C, okay, means left curve, and then standing line and sleeping line. This is letter G, capital G, okay. So it's very easy. Write like C, children, means left curve, and then write standing line and one small sleeping line. This is capital G. And how to write small g means, see, small circle, right, small circle, and write standing line and down one down curve. This is small g. See, very easy. Small circle, standing line, and then one down curve. This is small g, capital G and small g. Now we will see how to write within 4 lines, okay. I am going to draw now. Red line, blue line, and red line. So within these 4 lines, we are going to write letter G. See, first, how to write letter G? First write left curve. So from red line to second blue line, write one left curve like this. And from first blue line to second blue line, write one standing line. Okay. And here on blue line, write one sleeping line. This is capital G. See, write like C, standing line, and then sleeping line. This is capital G. This is G, gift, G, girl, G, Goa, G, green. Okay. And how to write small g? First, what we should write? Circle. So we should write circle within the 2 blue lines. Circle and then standing line. See, for any letter, does we touch the down red line? No. So but for small g, we should touch this down red line. Okay. For small g, we should touch this small down red line. Circle within 2 blue lines and write one standing line up to down red line and down one down curve. Okay, this is small g. Circle, standing line and down curve. This is which letter? Small g, capital G and small g. Okay, children? Is this easy? Yes, you can easily practice this. Okay. So we learned up to letter G. Okay. Now I'll end up our class with a small activity. So see, here we have 2 types of grapes. No? Now I'll show you how to draw grapes easily. Okay, children, will you learn? Yes. See. So to draw this, first write just one sleeping line. Okay. Then draw circles. Draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Draw 6 circles like that. Okay. And next, within these 2 circles, between these 2 circles, draw again one more circle like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 6, then 5. Okay. Now again between these 2, again one more circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. First 6, then 5, then 4. Now 3. Again in middle of these 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now in middle of these 2, again going to draw one more. 1, 2. And last 1. See, is this a bunch of grapes? Yes. And up and just draw one standing line. Okay. Is these are grapes? Yes. See. They are very easy to draw. Just write sleeping line and draw as many circles you want. Okay. Okay, children. So what we learned today in this class? We learned letter G, capital G and small g and the related words. Okay. That's all for today, children. Bye for today. I hope everyone enjoyed this class. Thank you for listening. Bye bye, children. We will meet in next class. Bye.